relax ever.
Oh, wow. Insane.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Your chest. One more time. And breathe out. Relax your chest. Let it go. Good.
That must feel
Again.
so relaxing.
All the way up. Relax the chest. Let it go. Good. There we go.
Which one was your favorite?
I have a thick ass neck.
Yeah, you do have like a thick neck.
I can imagine you karate chop my neck.
Karate chop it. I mean,
Please do not remove my eyebrows. I will full glam on it.
what? Yeah.